Do you understand English, but can't speak it? You're in the right place. Take a deep breath. Relax and listen carefully. Speaking English is not as difficult as you think. You just need the right guidance, regular practice, and confidence. Today, you are taking the first step toward success, and that step can change your future. Many people understand English but feel afraid to speak. They worry about making mistakes. They feel shy and nervous. But remember, mistakes are not failures. They are proof that you are learning. Every expert was once a beginner, and every fluent speaker started with simple words. So do not be afraid. Believe in yourself and trust the process. Confidence is the key to speaking English fluently. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Start with small steps. Speak simple words. Create short sentences. Practice every single day. Consistency is more important than perfection. Even 10 minutes of practice a day can bring great improvement. Try speaking in front of a mirror. Listen to English conversations and repeat them. Watch English videos with subtitles. Read simple books and short articles. Learn 5 new words every day. Use them in your daily conversations. This habit will transform your English skills. Do not compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Focus on your progress. Celebrate your small achievements. Each new word is a victory. Each sentence you speak is a success. Stay patient and never give up. Remember, learning English is a journey. It takes time, dedication, and determination. But the rewards are truly worth it. English is an international language. It connects people from all over the world. It opens doors to better education. It creates opportunities for better careers. It allows you to travel and communicate with confidence. Imagine yourself speaking English fluently in an interview. Imagine expressing your ideas clearly and confidently. Imagine achieving your dreams. That future is possible, and it begins today. Do not wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Start speaking without fear. Start learning without hesitation. Start building your confidence today. Repeat after me. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I am confident. I can speak English. I will speak English fluently. Believe in these words. Say them with confidence. Let them inspire you. Success does not happen overnight. It comes with practice, patience, and persistence. Keep moving forward, step by step. Even slow progress is still progress. Never stop learning. Never stop practicing. Never stop believing in yourself. One day, you will look back with pride. You will realize how far you have come. You will speak English with confidence and ease. Your journey starts today. So take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and begin now. Speak without fear. Learn without limits. Dream without boundaries. You can do it. You will do it. You are unstoppable. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.